Hello, welcome to this video. Now before I continue with my solution files and libraries, I want to show you something a little bit convenient. Okay, fairly convenient. It's called dotnet new gitignore. Okay, dotnet new gitignore. What's a gitignore file? Gitignore files are basically files that tell you which files not to add to Git. Why is this important? Because if you look at Git status, there are some files that just don't need to be committed every time. For example, the binary files over here, these are auto-generated files and DLLs, digital link libraries or something like that. Okay, these are compiled files that I don't want to be placed into my GitHub repository. If not, it will take up a lot of space. Okay, I do not need to commit them every time. Okay, most of the code is inside my C# files and Visual Basic files. I do not need to do I do not need to commit all of these things. So I think I did not add it during my first project for the Razor page, but I can actually kind of correct this by adding a gitignore file and using dotnet new gitignore for this, so that I won't add all of this junk when I keep compiling and building the CS library and Visual Basic library. Okay, so if I do git add dot and I use a git status, you'll notice that only the important files are added, like gitignore, the CS file, the CS project file, the solution file, the VB file, and the VB project file. Okay, so this gitignore is pretty important, pretty useful, so that we don't track any of these files that are not important for us. Okay, so just leaving this there so that it will be useful for you. Make sure you use dotnet initiate your new gitignore file before you continue. It's a very useful thing. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again.